Have a good day for everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in my video, how to check speaker with digital multimeter. So I have a few speakers. We use the digital multimeter. Select the ohms option. So when you examine this speaker, you have to see the speaker impedance value. This speaker is called 8 ohms impedance value. Let's check out the multimeter this way. You see the 7.5 ohms. You look at the multimeter. Slightly that value can change. So this speaker is good condition. We will take another speaker. This speaker 8 ohms. You see the 9.01 ohms. You look at the multimeter. This speaker good. Again we will check the next speaker. Let's see again from the digital multimeter. There is no value. See this multimeter. That means this speaker does not work. If the coil of the speaker is disconnected, this shows. This is unchoiceable speaker. So this way is checked from the digital multimeter. Wait with my videos. If the channel is good, make the subscribe. Thank you all my friend.